Belly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries, and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336. Health Minister James P.K. Sangma, while speaking to reporters after the formal session as part of the National Press Day celebration, said that the public has been taking COVID protocols for granted while at mass gatherings. Lamenting on the attitude of the masses towards adhering to COVID protocols, James Sangma said that following the health norms set by the government would help in curbing the spread of the virus amongst the public. It is therefore the concerted efforts of the Health Department to curb the spread of the virus through vaccination, James Sangma informed, and added that preparations are on to deal with the third wave of the virus should there be one.
But we are monitoring the situation constantly. There is no let up on the part of the Department of Health, and we, as I said, are preparing for any eventuality or any kind of possibility of a third wave. So we are in that mode right now, and we hope that the third wave does not come. But having said that, we are in full preparation to make sure that we will be prepared for any kind of eventuality. Yes, we are always, trying to maintain that kind of vigil to make sure that people follow the norms and the protocols established by the government. It's yes, sometimes very unfortunate that there are large gatherings and the protocols are not followed. But I still would like to appeal to the public that let us not let our guard down. We can never say what the situation and how it will unfold, and we should always be vigilant and make sure that we follow those kind of protocols which have proven to slow down the process of the spread and to control the spread.